ulo ba? Alright, from 1 to 8. There you go. Asa to bang candidates? Candidate number 1. Okay. For sure, a while ago, wala dyan nato nakita ang mga kagwapa o ang mga kasexy sa atong mga candidates. So for tonight, let's take a closer on how sexy all of our ladies. So everyone, when I say turn to your quarter right, you have to turn to your right. Alright? Ladies, please turn to your quarter right. O, diba? Okay, ilagay mo kamay, ma'am. Okay, ano lang, tama. Okay. Another turn to your right now. Ayan, di ba? Dili na ito makita no, kung unsa ang gipanggamit nila sa ilang balay. Ang uban shilling, ang uban kahoy, ang uban uling jud. Ayan. Luwas ang mga nagtapon o rapper karon. Another turn to your quarter right now. O ma'am, dito ma'am. Anak. Okay, di ba? Ang uban lumusog kaayo. Ang uban po mura gipanuhutan ka 32. And for the final moment, harap kayo dito. There you go. Palakpakan naman natin all of our ladies. Now this time, to all of our candidates, we are not done yet with the swimsuit competition. We'd just like to inform our judges po, kailangan you'll be adding score in the swimsuit competition. Because this time, we are going to challenge all of our ladies for a dance showdown. So without much ado, palakpakan muna natin. Bringing us more energy in our competition this evening, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Swimsuit Dance Showdown! Alright!
See.